Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got something very interesting for you. It could be a hit or it could be a flop. We're going to see. I just got this radio from ONSHEER off of Amazon for $12.97. Yeah. And you won't believe all the features. It's got AM, FM, shortwave, Bluetooth, MP3 player. It's just unbelievable. Comes with a little carrying strap, which is kind of strange for what looks like a table radio. Not very big. Do I have my ruler? Yeah, ruler. Yes, I have my ruler. Stand by. We're going to get some measurements. It's about 5.5 by about 3 by about 3. Has a built-in but rechargeable battery. I believe you can also, yes, no, you can't. Here's a rechargeable battery. Stand by. Fumble fingers. Is at it again. I can't get this door open. Man, that is hard. There, oh God. Stand by, here we go. Oh, there we go. Comes with a rechargeable battery. Removable. 1200 milliamp hours. I mean, so far so good. Except for this darn cover. There we go. Sorry about that. And check this out. It's backlit. The dial is backlit. Can you believe that? Something I always want in a radio is a backlit dial. Very easy to read. The shortwave band goes from 5.6 megahertz to 22 megahertz. And then you got the AM and FM band. Got a little user's manual. I don't believe, stand by. Let me see here. Something I didn't check and I just thought of it. Yeah, it says that the AM band goes from 522 to 1710. And of course, it's analog, but it's a DSP tuner, and you'll see why I know that. Okay, and it comes with charging cable. Now we're going to move my camera so we can zoom in on it. Looks pretty nice. It's plow plastic, of course. There are the MP3 player controls. This is the band and MP3 selection on-off volume. Over here, it will take TF card or a USB card. This is where you charge it. Nothing over here. I wish, let me see it. My camera's at a bad angle. Let me see if I can do this and not drop it. So I'm facing it head on. There, that's better. I'm getting my act together here. Okay, we can turn it on. It's actually not tuned.
Considering eliminating funding for the state-owned
Wheaton
Island and Shell Key preserves. Commissioner Dave Eggers says, if approved, the
FM band.
Return to the state. We love that part.
Got a telescopic. Turn him down.
And talk to us. That's not a part that we're.
Got a telescopic antenna, which is about 16 inches. Did I measure the radio? The radio is 3 inches deep by about 5.5 wide by about 3 inches high. So that gives you kind of an idea. Like I said, it does have a carrying strap, which is kind of strange for what looks like a table radio, but it is portable. Now, the tuning is tough. It's DSP. Let me go to shortwave. It's in the afternoon. We'll get nothing on the shortwave, especially with that short antenna. But I'm just going to go there and show you the tuning though. So we're on shortwave now. We'll turn it back on. And if I get a station, it'll blow me away. Mutes really bad. So you have to turn the dial, stop and wait. Oh! There's something there. Check that out. It appears that it helps to have your hand on it. But that looks like 93.3, which I believe is Radio Martini, which is, that's 800 to 1,000 miles from me. Wow. Very hard to tune. That might be, see, that's down, yeah, that might be Nashville, Tennessee. See if it says. No, it can't have music. You know, what I'm thinking about doing as far as a music thing, the music thing is a restriction by YouTube. You can't play copyrighted music and get a commission. You have to make your choice. So I was thinking about maybe doing a second show on these radios where I don't worry about a commission and then I can play music all I want to. Just a thought. Anyway. You can't tune fast or you don't hear anything. Let me go up higher. Whoa! Look at that! I am totally blown away. That's it's about 13 point something. Yeah, I remember there's a station up that way, 13 point something, and it's coming in, and it helps to hold it. Turn it back up. I am blown away. I am blown away. This is a $13 radio, and it's receiving shortwave in the afternoon. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Unbelievable. So let's go to AM. See how the tuning is.
News Radio WFLA now brings you Sean Hannity.
Audio's not too bad.
The local city councilman that has this saying woke one was crazy. Three-time first, really a big part of
doing
of
great.
So important that Nick Shirley and others.
I am blown away.
All the fraud
Let's
that's
try
out there.
FM. We gotta stay away from music. Turn the volume down. FM. Volume up. Tune. Yep. All music. Okay, let's go down. See if we can get the Tampa station. It's usually talk news. No, should be right in there. Can't get it. Well, music. Okay. This is amazing. I thought I was going to tell you about a good price, terrible radio. Okay, let's go do MP3. And this is music from the YouTube free library, so I can play this music, theoretically. Good sound. Went to the next track. Amazing. I can't believe this. This is an amazing little radio. It could be a secondary radio for you that you could stick, you know, like in the bathroom or someplace. You don't want to carry one of your expensive radios. The model is 8076BT by ONSHEER. I'm going to put it in my radio store on Amazon, the link to which is in the description below each of my videos. I'm just totally blown away. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would, and especially want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.